Hey, good afternoon, Bogmar. This is Ryan from Five Knots Digital Marketing. I run an agency down here in Port St. Lucie. And as I mentioned to Valia, I just wanted to shoot you guys over a quick video, just a short video to show you guys some quick tips and tricks that you guys can actually start utilizing even as soon as today if you wanted. It's just some things that'll help increase your online presence, that'll get you guys a little bit more notoriety through Google and hopefully bring some more leads in the door for you guys. So without further ado, I don't want to waste your time. I know you're a busy guy, so I'm going to get right into it. And the first three things we're going to be discussing is your content, citations, and backlinks. So as you can see, I have your website pulled up here, and this is on the home page. Now, when we're referring to content, we're talking about Google's expecting 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page specifically, and that helps Google in a couple of ways. Number one, it shows that you guys are the authority in the space. And as we see here, you have all the services that you guys are offering, or at least quite a few of the services that you guys offer. And I mean, it's awesome. Looks like you guys do a ton of different work. So there's really a ton of different potential to get in a lot of content and to get in a lot of different keywords and key phrases that's going to show Google that you guys are the authority in the space. So I like that website's laid out fairly well. It's pretty vibrant. But one of the first things I would do on the homepage is beef up that content. And I know that you have drop-down menus with some information of what each of these services include. Um, but even getting some reviews on your homepage, the way that your images are saved and what's saved behind the images also counts as content. So that's another thing that you guys can look at to increase your content online. And what I did was I went ahead to Google and typed in Handyman Vero Beach. So I did a little bit of research on you guys. I did a little bit of research on some of your competitors. And as you'll see, when we go to Google, these are your first ads that you're going to see. These are all paid ads. As you can see, Google guaranteed. This is what people are paying to be in the top location here. This section here is what we refer to as the map pack section, okay? And ultimately, the goal is to get you guys here. We want to get you in one of these top three spots because when anybody's going to Google to search for any kind of service, it could be for a coffee shop, it could be for an electrician, it could be for any kind of service that someone's looking for. 80% of those people are going to click on one of these top three spots in this map section here, okay? So this is your map section, and then down here, we have your organic search results. So getting up that content and getting the right keywords and the right keyword phrases in place for your services is what's going to build up your organic rating and what's going to get you guys ranking a little higher down here in these organic searches. Now, to get you placed higher in this map pack section is where we're going to talk about the citations I mentioned earlier, okay? So I searched for you guys on this map pack section and I found you down, I believe, on page 2, I think it was. And something to note is that, again, as 80% of people are clicking on those top three positions, very rarely is somebody going to go to the second or third page to find services. Okay, so that's where these citations really come into play to get you guys ranking higher in this map pack section so that we can get you from the second page down here up to the second or third page up to the first page. Okay, and what a citation is just as simple as the way that your business name, address, and phone number are listed in all different directories throughout Google. Okay, this includes Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, Thumbtack, Yelp, even Facebook. So here we go. We got you guys right here. And a few things I want to point out about your Google business page is that you want to take full advantage of this Google business page here. It's super important that you guys completely optimize this page. And what I mean by that is adding in some more photos because these photos you can utilize to save keywords that'll help you get found on Google. It also gives your viewers something to look at, gains a little more trust. You want to build up your reviews. You want to make sure that you are asking your clients or customers for, honest reviews to help Google see that you guys are the expert in the service. And then you have quite a few of your services listed, but taking full advantage and optimizing this page is another way to really help build Google's trust with your company to get you guys ranked in that top section of the map pack. So to further discuss the citations, this is a page And I went ahead and put you guys in here as well as one of your competitors, Premium Handy Solutions. And like I said, citation is just address listed in different directories on the internet. Right now, you guys are at 7 citations, and Premium Handy Solutions is only at 8. So the beautiful thing about this tool is that we can go right in here, what all citations they have. So not only do we want to get, you know, as many citations as your competitor, we want to get competitor. So while they have 8, we want to get you 20, maybe 30 citations so that you're not only beating out your competitors, but anybody, that's even close in the realm of what services you guys are offering. So we can go right in here and see where all their citations are listed at. Now, some of these are blurred out for privacy purposes, but I do have full access to these. And it's just as simple as getting your business listed on these same directories and then some, because again, we want to go above and beyond what they have. Now, the last thing that I want to discuss with you is your backlinks. Okay. This is another paid tool that I use called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put you guys in first, and this tool is amazing. It gives me a ton of information, everything from your backlinks to the keywords that are showing up on your page to the amount of people that are visiting your site monthly. And gives a lot of cool factors in here. Now, as you see here, you guys don't currently have any backlinks, okay? And the backlink is as simple as site A pointing to site B, giving site B power. So let's say you have your site listed on a painting supply company or a electrical supply company or a any other service that's relevant to what you guys do. Getting your website listed on that website ultimately points back to your website, giving you guys the power. It's kind of like a it's kind of like a popularity contest in Google's eyes, okay? They want to see that you guys are hanging out with the popular kid and that popular kid is giving you guys credit. Um, so we also pulled up in this same tool your competitors here, and they don't have any backlinks right now or many referring domains. And these referring domains are where these backlinks are coming from. So like I said, that's going to be your distribution companies. That's going to be, your paint supply company, your lumber supply company, those things that are creating the backlinks back to your site. Now, what they do have is a very high DR rating. And part of this DR rating is probably coming from their citations and the fact that their website is just a Google business page website. So, key things to take away from here is that while they don't have that many backlinks, this shows the importance of the citations and shows the importance of gaining credibility through Google's eyes to get you guys a higher rating on your site. Because if you look now, right now, you guys are unfortunately at a very low DR. This is your credibility. So this is how long your site's been up. This is how many people are on average visiting your site. It's it's a lot of different factors, but ultimately you want to get that DR rating up. And the other cool thing, as I mentioned earlier about keywords and creating some more content on your homepage, we can see the kind of keywords that you guys have and what you're ranking for. Right now, handy delivery, you guys are ranking in the 43rd position, okay? But we can do the same thing with your competitors to see what kind of keywords that they're utilizing right here. And they don't have many either, but they are ranking #1 for Handyman Vero Beach. So this is a very, very powerful and key word that we'd want to focus in on to get you guys ranked for. This volume is on average 200 people are searching that per month. So they're ranking #1 for that, which is another reason that they're listing so high in that Google Map section and getting that credibility through Google. So, Bogmar, just to recap, as we discussed your content on your homepage. We want to increase that a little bit, get some more images. I'm sorry, get some more text in here to show you guys the authority. We want to boost up these citations so that you guys are not only beating out your competitor, but you're beating out everybody in the space and getting you listed higher up in that map pack section right here so that you guys are no longer on the 3rd page anymore so that we can get you guys right up here in this top 3 section where 83% of people, I'm sorry, 80% of people will be clicking on to get the leads, to get the phone submissions, to get the quotes, to get all the business coming in the door. This is the space we want to get you guys in. And we'll also work on building up those backlinks for you guys to show Google that you guys are the authority in the space. So, Bogmar, thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate Valia for taking my phone call and let me shoot this over to you guys. Again, my name is Ryan. I'm the owner over at 5 Knots Digital Marketing. All my contact information will be in my email signature. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Hope you have a good week, and talk to you soon. Thank you.